hang your 2010 UFL Championship banner.
Six is up. All right, here we go. Call this. What's left check now? Here we go now. Keep your hands in tight. Run your feet now. All right, to the house on three.
Let's go, buddy.
1, 2, 3.
Monday night at Nacho Daddy, come hang out with Sammy Parker of the Las Vegas Locos. Nacho Daddy is located on Eastern and St. Rose.
That's what we need to do. Good job.
Switzer to attempt the field goal from the 35-yard line. The kick is good. The Locos are on the board. Keeper.
Go all the way to the side on 50, get away from there.
For the score.